Hello, Clifton families, and welcome to Mrs. Duff's 6th grade math virtual classroom. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate through my classroom to better help you understand my class and this year's procedures and to help your student. First thing I want to show you is the chalkboard link, which will take you to our Google Classroom. This will be the #1 spot your students are going to want to refer to on a daily basis. Here, I will post all links to class presentations, homework assignments. They will also be able to contact myself as well as administration and the counseling team, and they can find out what grades they received on previous assignments. To the left of the clock, the I am a math teacher, of course I have problems, will take you to the 6th grade syllabus. Here you can find the class overview and what our focus will be on in this year's math class expectations, the grading policy, as well as a grading rubric that you can click on to look further, the asynchronous or independent work time, which is crucial this year, place where they can find my office hours, distance learning tips, and class structure. Please make sure to read through this with your students to make sure that they understand what is expected of them this year. Next, over on the right side of the clock is the Home Suite Classroom. If you click on this link, it will take you to the Zoom expectations. This is provided for your students each day at the beginning of class to ensure that they remember what my classroom procedures are for our Zoom live sessions. Here, I do expect that students are there on time, ready to go, that their camera is off, and that they have muted themselves. It is important for their camera to be on so that we can try to make this as normal of a learning classroom and environment as possible. This will allow me to better engage with students and for them to engage with one another. I do understand that some families will choose to have them off, and just to ensure that we are all on the same page, please make sure to email me if you are allowing your student to be off camera on a daily basis. This would be greatly appreciated. Over to the left-hand side, the far left, you click on that, talking about a day without math, because of course we do not ever go a day without math. You will find the 6th grade calendar. This weekly calendar will provide your students with synchronized learning and what's expected, as well as any presentations that they will need to have ready for class that day, and asynchronous learning time and what activities they will be doing. There are also some resources for students. If they click on in this classroom, we allow mistakes to happen. It takes us to the Khan Academy website. Khan Academy is an amazing tool we will be using this year. This will give your students videos, assignments, quizzes, and assessments. The reason why it's so awesome is that students get to do their assignments or anything multiple times until they reach a score of what we call mastery or 80%. This will ensure that they're understanding the material and give me feedback to where I can help support them better. Another great resource they can use and will be assigned to them is Desmos. Desmos is a calculator, both graphing and scientific, as well as a place where I can assign them activities to work on in class or during their independent time. If you look over at the bulletin board, you will find resources for parents, Cubs Reach policy, Clifton's distance learning schedule, MUSD's distance learning platform, the 8 mathematical practices in Common Core, the Parent Square link where you can access all the teachers and their emails, and the Areas link, which will give you grades, attendance, and also access to teachers and administration in their emails. So this virtual classroom provides you with many resources and areas for you to help your student be successful this year in 6th grade math. Please feel free to contact me at any time with any questions involving your student and how they can be successful this year. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to working with your student in 6th grade math. Thank you again for being here.